Hi there. This video is the third installment of my Holiday Glam series, and this was taken a day right after the previous video. Look at the improvement of this pimple scar. No more need to use the acne gel, just this one. It's pretty flat now, so we don't need layers and layers of concealer anymore, just the regular crazy coverage foundations. So for today's video, I'll be doing Pink Lips Holiday Glam. Oh yes. And inspired by a Disney queen. Mario Badescu's magical witch hazel and rosewater toner. Vitamin C and glowy serum combo for the everyday fairness. Don't forget to repair and protect that pimple scar. At this point, we all know that this is an Elsa inspired makeup look. I mean, thumbnail, video title, hairstyle, pink lipstick. We're starting with the hardest part, the eyes. I'll use these three. Oops. They're all from Australis. I'm gonna use some of these too. And mix up a purpley shade I want. So yeah, just to recap. First, the brows. Second, eyes. Third, face foundation. Fourth, face coloring. And fifth, lips. Sixth, pose for photos. Why not? Let's go. Brows. Some black over here, some black over there, and clean up. Now, mixing shadows. So we have pink, blue, pearl colors from Australis. I want to make a shiny, purpley, silvery color. Just scraping and mixing. Does that look good? So before the reveal, let's do my eye first. It's not gonna be all purple, okay? We need some dimensions. It's an Elsa inspired look. My pink is a bit tame, so I'm putting some extra kick with a bit of orange. Clean up. Lightening the first part, This is just foundation, by the way. Shiny white. The color mixed with some water. Let's see how it looks. A bit grayish. Double coat is pretty pigmented. Don't worry, I'm still gonna blend it. Some of this plummy brown. There it is. And a bit of blue. Black. Don't forget a bottom part. Pink. Blending. Of course, the black highlighter to keep it all together. Like in my previous videos, shiny or shimmery eyeshadows make the eyeliner application a bit more challenging than usual, because it's a gel liner. If it were a liquid one, it would have been a different story altogether. The gel lining. I think my eyeshadow is pretty on point when it comes to the Elsa-ness of it. So let's finish the face. Foundation number 2. Powder. Let's mattify that. Contour? Of course. Just a tiny bit on the cheeks. Nose line. Pinkish and pearlish glow all over. Focused highlighting. Bubblegum pink lipstick because why not? So this is my Elsa inspired Holiday Glam makeup look. I hope you like it. Happy holidays. See ya!